Welcome to the Daily Jing for Monday, May 26th. Here's the quote of the day. The fragrance always remains in the hand that gives the rose. Herebehe. Let's go to the schedule. This is the third week, and we're working on the third paper, the first familiar essay. It's on a behavior or condition. So OFRI is due today, so make sure that you work through OFRI. Remember that these discussions and view and do's are due the next day by 6 a.m. So both the OFRI discussion and peer review, you have today to work on them. Then we'll start the Brenner discussion. Okay, here are some notes on the three familiar essay and some samples. Make sure that you look at those. Remember that this paper and virtually all the papers in the course, except maybe for the first one, which is the reader analysis, are problem papers. You have to struggle to find some answer to a problem that you have noticed. This one is of a behavior or condition, and you want to understand it, how you are in the world with it. We want the details of your life with this behavior or condition, but you don't want to tell us about it from a position of knowledge. You want to tell us from a position of struggling to understand it, to find out more information. You're a pilgrim here. You're on a voyage. You're on a you're taking us on an exploration of it, and you want to write to understand it. You want to write to gain knowledge of it. You don't want to report on it. This is not a report. You don't want to tell us what it is. You want to show us how it influences your life and try to understand that. You're struggling with going deeper in your understanding of this behavior or condition, and you're taking us along for the ride. Okay, that's what an essay is. An essay is something where the writer takes an object, in this case it's a behavior or condition, and looks at it in many different sorts of ways in order to understand it better. So refrain from reporting, refrain from doing the typical research paper kind of thing on it. I don't want that. I want you to write to understand it, write to construct knowledge about it. Okay, so the question of the day is, which essay is due and which essay are we starting? The OFRI essay is due, and the Brenner essay is what we're starting. Okay, all right, thanks, bye.